how to reverse videos. So let's jump right into the video. First of all, enable properties window, select the video, and here you just need to scroll a little bit down, and here you should see playing backwards. Select yes, and now it's playing backwards. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions for the next tutorial. If there's something you don't know or how you can do it in this video editor, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll create a video for you.